y ella me dijo que sí. Yo la tomé de la mano y me la llevé a la pista. Y allí fue que me di cuenta que ella era tan bonita. Los dos involucrados, bailando pegados, los cuerpos sudados, sin pararle a los que están al lado. Bailando apretados, bailando pegados, los cuerpos sudados, sin pararle a los que están al lado. Pegado de ti, involucrado contigo hasta el fin, envenenado de ti, sintiendo tu aliento dentro de mi cuerpo, pegada a mí, sí, involucrada conmigo hasta el fin, envenenada de mí, sí, sintiendo mi aliento, quemando tu cuerpo. Contigo hasta el fin, envenenado de ti, sintiendo tu aliento dentro de mi cuerpo, pegada a mí, involucrada conmigo hasta el fin, envenenada de mí, sintiendo mi aliento, quemando tu cuerpo.
I've been blowing through the money like you growing trees. I've been fucking on a French bitch, c'est la vie. I just put them on a jet, now they all Italian. Way I'm dressed until I've been to $1,000. This bitch lie about getting shots, but she's still a stallion. She don't even get the joke, but she's still smiling. Every night, late night, like I'm Jimmy Fallon. Crows shoot from anywhere, like you Ray Allen. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Got a fur on the table, got me burning up. Shorty said she graduated, she ain't learning enough. Play the album track 1, K, I heard enough. Girl, the driver downstairs, better hurry up. Savage got a new stick, you wanna dirty up. Touchdown and hand wide, tear the Mercer up. Hey, Bottega shades with the great sense. Introduce me to a nigga, yeah, it makes sense. Gotta put on. Limping with the 30 on like a broke hip. Red flag giving blood on some donor shit. All the ops get a bullet on some Oprah shit. Went from Angel Town to stage to a bigger stage. Probably would've had a zombie on me if I would've stayed. Still a caught a case if I would've stayed. I've been thugging all my life, that's just how I play it. Still posted in the A where niggas feel me. Still gotta see the gunners with Premier League. Still gotta keep a gun, it's always near me. And I'm down to hit 'em up one more time. Hit my line, you know the hair was great. Oh yeah, alright, don't do romancing. One more time.